Hi friends, a very good morning to everyone. I'm back with the video and today I'm going to talk about the fields that are available in commerce. After pursuing our 10th, we all have three options in front of us right now. Even though the new educational policy says that it would not be stream bound now, it would be subject bound. Means you can mix and match the subjects as per your choice. Yet, looking at the current trend, the admissions that are done in the university and grads and postgrads level, commerce is a field which is related with financial information, transactions, trading of economic value, etc. And the students who are pursuing commerce have lots of options in the future. This is because even a person can become an entrepreneur without any qualifications. He can run his business, but to manage the business, to manage the day-to-day affairs, we need people with commerce background. And that is why it is a diverse field that gives us variety of course options and career opportunities for the students. So it is the time to look for the future career options in commerce. I'll be talking about some of the trending courses in commerce after class 12th. When we say commerce, so the subjects that we have is, apart from the language that is English, we have business studies, accountancy, economics and maths. So there is a mix and match and we can go for the specialization accordingly. Means each of these subjects, if I talk about business studies, it is related to business administration. Accounting, it is definitely related to CA, BCom honors, where you are having the accounting transactions. And maths, when you are taking economics honors, there it would be helping you out. In the undergraduate level, right now we have BCom honors. The very, you can say, famous course. We have BCom General, that's pass. We have BBA, BBM, BBE, that's Bachelor's in Economics. Then we can also pursue BA LLB and BCom LLB. Some of the universities are also giving you BBA LLB. These are some of the very popular courses that are available at the grads level. In the postgrads, you have MCom. And of course, the very famous MBA. The courses which are in the graduation level, they are 3 years and masters is 2. And one of the top most course that everyone actually dreams is CA. Yes, we have CA, we have CS and CMA. That is, CA is Chartered Accountant, CS is Company Secretary and CMA is Cost and Management Accounting. Means you have ample opportunities, a vast sea in front of you if you are pursuing commerce. One can definitely choose specialization in accounting and finance, banking and finance, accounting and taxation, actuarial science. I'll be talking about actuarial science in a separate video. business administration, applied economics, e-commerce, financial accounting, banking and insurance, HR, entrepreneurship, auditing. So you can see that how many subjects you have to specialize. Some of the courses are, it can be pursued after clearing the common entrance exams. They are offered through entrance exams like ICAI, the this Chartered Accountant Institute of Chartered Accountancy of India. They have their entrance. Same is for CS also, same is for CMA also. DU-JAT, that is Delhi University Joint Entrance Exam, Aptitude Test. That's for BMS, that's Bachelor's in Management Science, Management Studies, and BFM, Financial Management. Then you have CFA, very, very, very nice, Chartered Financial Analyst. Symbiosis has their SET exam, that's the Symbiosis entrance test. We have IP University having affiliation with number of colleges. They have their CET. They have BCom program. They have BBA program. Now, the colleges, definitely Delhi University is one of the sought college. SRCC, everyone dreams of going there. Sri Ram College of Commerce. Loyola College, Hindu College. Then in Mumbai, you have Narsi Monji College of Commerce and Economics, Hansraj College. Of course, DU has ample colleges. When it comes to BBA, we have IP, then Symbiosis, then Christ University has its Institute of Management, IMCU, NMIMS, that's Narsi Monji Institute of Management. In Delhi, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies is one of the very famous and students' aim. Then we have School of Business Management, Noida International University, and of course ICFAI Business Schools. They all have a very good curriculum for BBA. Now you might be thinking that what is BBA and what is BCom? If you are more onto entrepreneurship, you are more onto business administration, business management, you should opt for BBA. And if you feel that you are made for accounts, you want to, work with accounting, costing, taxation, these are your, cup of tea, then you should go for BCom. I also told you that some of the universities are also offering BCom LLB. It basically is on the corporate law. In BCom, you are acing in financial accounting, business organization and management. Of course, a language is there, company law is there, indirect taxes, auditing, fundamental principles of financial management, business economics, corporate governance, cost accounting, business mathematics, auditing and corporate. Whereas in BBA, you have business accounting, principles of microeconomics, business communication, business maths, business entrepreneurship, elements of IT, information technology, organizational behavior, management economy, macroeconomics theory, HR, human resource, marketing, business law, fundamentals of quality management, research methodology, MIS, Management Information Systems. So these are all in BBA. There are few universities which are even giving BCom in specialization, like BCom in accounting and taxation, banking and insurance. But as a career counselor, I would advise you to go for BCom honors in general, because in the later stages you will be having, again you might be in a dilemma. At that point you would not be having much options if you are confined in the beginning. Then, as I said, BA in Business Economics or BBE, it deals with money, banking, financial accounting, entrepreneurship development, macroeconomics, fiscal economics, international economics, Indian economy and economic reforms. When you finish off your BCom or BBA or any undergrads, then you are ready for your masters if you want to. These courses, BCom honors, these are all industrial oriented. You have the campus placement as well. But at the same time, you also need to have certain skills. Once you complete your grads, you have MCom, MBA, MBE, means you once again can go. You may specialize in accounting and finance, banking and finance, investment bankers, accounts and taxation, actuarial science, behavioral science, applied economics, entrepreneurship. Once you are a graduate, you may get into junior accountant, HR manager, business executive, accounts executive, operation management, data analyst, information system manager, project manager. And if you are a postgrads, MCom, MBA, etc., MBA, etc., then you have the government sectors like nationalized banks, railway, income tax. They are good options. And otherwise, senior accountant, cash teller, bank manager, marketing manager, investment banker, wealth manager, HR executives, and the payroll is very lucrative. It starts from 2 lakh per annum and goes till 10. Some of the best commerce recruiters have been SBI, ICICI, KPMG, Deloitte, Tata Consultancy, RBS, IndusInd Bank, IBM, Reliance, Hewlett-Packard, HSBC. Besides all these career, you also have the career in hotel management, mass communication, that depends on you. You may go into business administration, you may go into accounting, hospital and healthcare, tourism, sports management. Now, you also require certain skills. You also require certain skills. And what are those skills that you require? See, no job can come as a cup of cake. Whether you are working as a consultant, economist, actuarial science, financial analyst, stockbroker, entrepreneur, investment banker, anything, you need to ace, to master certain skills so that the recruiter is having interest in you. You should be a quick thinker. Economics, accounts, everything deals with these fields. You must have good communication skills. Now, communication doesn't mean only English. To communicate. Good personality. Now, personality, normally what happens is people think that wearing good clothes, a good attire. No. Personality is the way you approach others, the smiling face, the confidence level, leadership qualities, adaptability, because commerce is too vast and each and every day the things are changing. It's a dynamic stream. Therefore, you need to adapt yourselves to the changing environment. Good time management, because everything is target time bound. Numeracy skills, whether you are in economics or business accounting or into administration, your numerical skills, problem solving ability, critical and analytic thinking is very important. You must have good negotiation and commitment in you. And last but not the least, you are like a robo. Yes, you are going to be multitasked. I once read about Mukesh Ambani. That is, he is the one of the richest person in our country. In fact, in the world. So do you think that what is his time of working? We must be thinking, oh, he is very wealthy. He must be waking up at 11 o'clock. Then he might be having a lavish breakfast. No. His day starts at 4 o'clock. He goes to the gym, which is inside his own Antilia only. There his staff is accompanying him, his office staff is accompanying him. They tell him about the day-to-day affairs. It starts from 6 o'clock, then it goes on till midnight. And sometimes his breakfast is in one state and lunch at another state. This shows that if you want to be in the business administration, management, you need to be multitasking and you need to be on your toes every time. Apart from all these careers which I have spoken, we also have Chartered Financial Analyst. It's one of the highly reputed degrees in field of finance. And it actually, just like CS, it also ranges from 1.5 to 4 years. And it's one of the most challenging exams to pass. And the passing rate is only 43%. We have a combination of 10 subjects which are taught at 3 levels. You have Certified Management Accountant, CMA. This is done only after grads. And it is conducted by Institute of Management Accountants in US. And to obtain the certification, you need to clear 2 levels of this examination, and it is about to pursue this, you need to have a work experience of 2 years. Then Financial Risk Manager. It's GARP. This is offered by GARP, Global Association of Risk Management. It's again a 9 months short-term course of 9 months, and it is conducted in May and November. It helps you to analyze and identify the threats to company assets and earning capacities. Then CPA, Certified Public Accounting. It's offered by American Institute of Certified Public Accounts. You should have strong skills of accounting. It helps you in financial audits, informing the investors about the company's state. MBA, it's pursued more by most of the students in all the fields. For getting into the top B schools, you need to give exams like CAT. And of course, there are institutes, organizations which are also taking math as a score. But if you have all the skills that I spoke about, definitely commerce is made for you. Thus, in a nutshell, I can say that if you want to really expand yourselves, you have multiple huge prospects in this diverse field. Of course, one common question comes, can I pursue BBA, BCom without maths? Right now, CBSE has also given applied mathematics. And even if you don't have, there are subjects BCom general. Then CACS, you don't require maths at 12th. You require maths till 10th standard. You have bachelor's in business administration, BBA, hotel management. Some students even pursue BCA after completing their commerce. So friends, students, and all my viewers, you might now be very clear about what are the different fields available, and while choosing your stream, you might ponder upon all these points. So bye for today. Meet you again with another video, some other interesting topics like actuarial science and insight into that. Any career guidance, any stream related, any college related query, I'm there for you. My number is 99105 22680. I repeat, 99105 22680. I'm available on www.mentorolaza.co.in. You can book a slot. The slot when you're booking will take you to the Budami platform. We conduct an AI based, that is an artificial intelligence which uses an algorithm that finds out your interest and aptitude. Means you may be having interest in commerce, but your aptitude might not be for commerce, or it may be vice versa. And over the period, we can definitely develop both of them. It's not like that. Interest can be developed. So what we do is we try to find out your aptitude, your interest, your personality, and then try to match with the streams, courses, which is best for you. It's available at a very nominal price. So if you log on to www.mentorolaza.co.in, it would take you to the platform of Budami where you can book a test with Dr. Rama Raghavan. Once your test is conducted, there is an AI generated report which will be having intricate values about each of the aptitude and interest. Through that, we have a one-to-one meeting where we can counsel. So looking forward from all of you. Bye for now. Meet you once again in another video.